This is it. The NYU Season 3 Finale. It is currently 2:23 on May 14.
It's the 14th.
Day flies out in just under 10 hours.
Oh yeah.
I move out
Dang.
in just under 20.
Rue's gone.
And Bruno's gone. Honestly, this year, Dayton and I worked on together on so many things. Like, we worked on Day's film, where Todd was the DP and I was the AD. And that's how we started hanging out together. And then we started working on the musical, which Todd was the gaffer and Day and I co-directed. And then beyond all that, we just went to like Hong Kong Wanton Garden, which was like our favorite Chinese.
Well, there was only I was expecting more, so I was gonna do a grand old count up.
Well, yeah, but like we had dinner at Hong Kong Wanton Garden like at least 10 times, maybe more. Yeah. We played Mario Kart. So we invented a new Mario Kart game called Todd Rules.
Todd started going to the gym.
Todd started going. We all started going to the gym together. Oh. It's like. I mean, I didn't even know Todd 8 months ago. Now I consider him one of my closest friends. You know, it's like, where's the? And that's it. Junior is officially over.
He was paid to say that.
To me, the school year didn't really end. It really felt more like it just kind of crashed into the side of the wall, and like that's why it stopped. Like, you know, they say like an object in motion stays in motion. Like, I still feel like we're in motion, and like, we just hit a wall, and like boom, it's over.
This is our last summer vacation. Cut the tape.
Wait, bro.
In case you didn't realize.
Wait, now I didn't realize, bro.
It just dawned on you.
We will see you guys in season 4, which is the last season.
Oh, keep an eye out for the summer Los Angeles special.
That's actually true. There will be a summer arc.
I don't think any of this is uploadable, by the way. None of this footage should ever see the light of day.
Well,
have you seen his channel?
Yeah. That's because Todd doesn't watch what I put on YouTube.
Really don't. Cal just exposes everything.
Yeah. What can I say? Well, I run it through you guys first.
No, I'm fine with it.
Yeah, okay.
I don't care. I have nothing to hide.
well,
buddy.
The bodies in the closet say different.
Not that closet.
Yeah, it's the other room.
Yeah. Really broke some ice. Okay.
All right. That's enough. See you in August. Bye. I just wanted to end this video with a thank you. I know that I've been a bad YouTuber this year. I've posted very infrequently. That was because junior year, honestly, was the best year of my life so far. A lot of cool things have happened this year. A lot of which you've seen, a lot of which you have yet to see. So I just appreciate you making it to the end of this video and for supporting me. And so once again, thank you all, and stay tuned because, like I said, I will be in LA for the summer. As you can see, I'm on UCLA's campus right now. And yeah, a lot of cool things are coming up, guys. The future's looking up. See y'all in the next video.